Okay, we've mixed up some more concrete, and we're just in the process of finishing off this job here. Put some back in the bucket here. Now, once this dries in a day or so, we can come in and lay our tile, and that will finish up our floor. And the reason that I'm doing this is this finishes it and makes it more even with the floor. When the shower pan sits on here, it'll be sitting on a nice solid surface, and there'll be no weak spots underneath it. Alright, that's about good. Now this doesn't have to be worked like regular concrete if you're pouring a sidewalk or something, because it's all going to get covered up under the tile. What we're really after is just filling in the hole. Okay, and that should do it. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, now we've gone through the whole process of chiseling out the floor, putting in the drains, rerouting the water lines, and we had our inspection. We passed our inspection, so now we filled up to about 2.5, 3 inches left with dirt to cover the pipes, and then we filled it in with concrete. So now the tile man can come in, lay the tile, and then we can finish the bathroom.